Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday afternoon. We have severe weather knocking right on our doorstep in the Boston area as of 1:30 this afternoon. We are recording this broadcast. So we have a lot to talk about. Let's just jump right into it here, folks. First of all, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in this pink zone, the entire pink zone covering a good chunk of Massachusetts till 7 o'clock. In red, it's a flash flood warning that's happening in the Berkshires, western Worcester County, where you see the golden zones. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect, southeast New Hampshire, southwestern New Hampshire, and also central Massachusetts. These watches and warnings, I think, are going to be expanded east into the greater Boston area as the afternoon wears on. All right, let me just erase this nonsense here. We'll do it like that, and then we shall continue, shall we? Temperatures are running in the 80s and low 90s through a good chunk of the Northeast at the present time, but note the cooler, drier air that's coming down from the Great Lakes behind a cold front. This cooler, drier air will be filtering into much of New England late tonight and tomorrow. So if you do not like the mugginess, folks, hang in there. Things are going to dry out, but it's not dry right now. Dew points are running in the low and mid 70s through a good chunk of southern and central New England, but note the dry air from Chicago back to Wisconsin. In Minneapolis, dew points are in the lower 50s, and with the north and northwest wind tomorrow, it's going to be just a beauty of a day, a totally different world around here. National map shows a couple of cold fronts off to our west at the present time, and behind that, big high pressure building out of Minnesota will be over New England tomorrow with a refreshing dry north and northwest winds. A great beach day coming up. Let's look at Chatham radar. As of about 1:30 this afternoon, you see a line of severe weather coming into southeastern New Hampshire, northeastern Worcester County, extending all the way back into the Berkshires and northern Connecticut. This whole line continues to track east at about 30 miles an hour and will be in the Boston area between 2 and 3 o'clock this afternoon. So this is what we are talking about. We're talking about building clouds in Boston for the balance of the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms breaking out, some with vivid lightning, torrential downpours, strong and gusty winds. We also are under a flash flood watch until 7 o'clock tonight. There could be flooding of streams, streets, and basements. Air temperatures starting out of the upper 80s and low 90s will fall back into the 70s once precipitation begins. Winds could gust over 50 miles an hour. There could be trees down and tree limbs down as well. Precipitation is going to end around mid-evening as the whole band moves offshore. Skies clear up overnight. It's cooler and drier. By morning, it's in low and mid-60s. Tomorrow, totally different day. Sun filled with the clouds. It'll be in the upper 70s along the coast. Low and mid-80s. Thursday, Friday look great with sunshine, 70s, mid-80s. The weekend is going to be a different ball of wax with a storm coming up the coast to give us maybe heavy showers and storms starting Saturday night and lasting all day Sunday. More on that a little bit later. Of course, we'll be here throughout the afternoon. We'll keep you posted. For now, I'm Mark Rosenthal.